Hey people, welcome to Airdropspot. In this video, I showed how to approach the latest quest on Perle Labs. In this quest, you are to find out the ambiguous statement sentence in the statement provided. And what is an ambiguous statement? You can just make use of your dictionary to get this done. An ambiguous statement sentence rather is a sentence that is open to two or more interpretations. A sentence that does not provide a definite information, like no definite time is mentioned, no definite place where an action is going to take place is mentioned, no definite action that is meant to be carried out is mentioned. So read through each of the sentences and then find out which of the read through the statement and then find out which of the sentences in this statement is an ambiguous sentence. So in this video, I don't necessarily have to speak throughout the video, but then you can see each of my answers in this video and they are correct, and I hope that is helpful as you are going to be approaching your own quest. So that is all I have to say. Just enjoy the video to the end. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, make sure to subscribe right now. Drop everything you are doing and hit the subscribe button in just 1 second. Like this video so that the YouTube algorithm can go on to push it to other people so that it can benefit them as well. Comment if you have any questions, any issues regarding Perle Labs Testnet, and also share with your friends as well. So for some people who were asking whether you need Solana token for Perle Testnet, yes, you need Solana, but it is very cheap. What you need to complete each quest is very cheap. That I have like $1 on this particular wallet that I am using for this video, and I have been using that $1 for all of the quests that we have been doing. I think I have done 5 quests so far, if not more than that. I think I've done like 5 quests, and I've been using this $1 to do all the tests. So just deposit like $1 Solana or more if you can, and then be using it for the quest. There are still going to be many more quests in the future. If you should check their badge section, you see that there are many badges that we are yet to claim. And also make sure to join their Discord server as well, so that you can stay updated with any information that they have to pass across. So enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you find it helpful in your testnet journey. Thank you for watching.